toes, put it in, go!
It's amazing to see the transformation in people, to see people crush their goals, to see them challenge themselves, to see them break out of their shells and almost become completely different people. It's true that running really changes everything. It enables them to do things they never thought possible. It enables them to break those barriers and do things that maybe years ago they thought, you know, would never be able to be done. Fleet Feet has been doing training programs for almost 15 years now. It's amazing the number of programs that we do and the way they've been able to evolve, but we have really something for everybody.
Fleet Feet training has made an impact in my life. I've been training with them for the last 10 years, and it's brought a running community to me, together with me, and it also helps me by holding me accountable. So, and the coaches are amazing.
Came in from no running, hated running, did not want to do running. Now I'm running a couple times a week, every week. 5 years later, I do half marathons.
One of the key components to our training programs, it's not just the workouts, but it's really education. So no matter what program you're doing, you're going to do a workout, but you're going to learn something too. Everything from running and walking form, to nutrition, to hydration, to safety, to proper gear, to tapering, to if you want to do run walk intervals, all of those things are things that we cover in all of our programs.
Try to stick with the pace as best you can. It's not a race. I know it kind of starts to feel like one when we get into a situation like this, so just try to stick with the paces. And if this is anybody's first time doing a workout with us, just shoot for half the workout tonight. All right? Ready, set, go! 20 minutes! Whoa. 20 minutes is a long time. Good job, ladies. Less than 3 minutes. 17:21. Yeah. A little bit.
I think the number one thing that beginners face when they're starting out running is that they're just kind of afraid of the community. The intimidation factor is definitely plays a role. So my advice is just, everyone's been a beginner, everyone's been there. Reach out to your friends who are runners, even the ones who you think are too fast for you or too good for you. They want to help. They've all been there before.
We're here for you, and we're here to support you, and we're here to answer those questions. We're here to hold your hand when needed, and we're here to give you a swift kick in the pants when you need that too. We all want to see you succeed. So be a part of the fun, be a part of the movement, and come check out Fleet Feet training today. We can't wait to see you.